Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to set up an IVR system in Kixie. An interactive voice response system, or IVR, helps direct callers to the right place quickly by providing a menu of options that route the call based on the person or department the caller wants to speak with. In Kixie, you can build your own IVR or even layer multiple menus together to create a seamless experience for your customers. Before jumping into the dashboard, it's a good idea to sketch out your IVR menu. Think of it like a phone tree. Where do you want each branch to go? Your IVR options can route to a ring group, which sends the call to a group of agents, a call queue, which helps manage high call volumes, a specific agent, or even to another IVR if you want to create submenus for different departments. Once you've planned your IVR, open the Kixie dashboard. Click on the Manage tab in the left side menu. Then go to Inbound and select IVRs. From there, click the blue Add button. A pop-up window will appear. Start by naming your IVR. Then, choose your greeting type. You have three options here. Text-to-speech, where an automated voice will read the menu options you type in. MP3, if you want to upload a pre-recorded voice file, or Record Now, which lets you record your message directly in the Kixie dashboard. Next, choose whether or not you want to allow extension dialing. This gives callers the ability to dial an agent's extension to reach that agent directly. Then set the no answer action. This tells Kixie what to do if a caller doesn't select an option. Once your basic settings are in place, it's time to route the IVR options. Still in the same window, go to the Routing tab. Here, you can add as many options as you need. Select the corresponding actions for the number dialed to match your IVR greeting. If this IVR will be used as a main menu, you'll need to assign a phone number to it. Go back to the Manage tab and click on Numbers. You can either buy a new number by clicking Add, or edit an existing one by clicking on it. In the pop-up, set the number for field to IVR. Then select the IVR you just created from the drop-down menu below. You also have the option to set a default user and team SMS rules on this screen, but it isn't required. Click Save, and you're ready to go. Call the number you just assigned to your IVR, listen to the menu, and test each option to make sure everything is working the way you planned. Thanks for watching.